Overseas Pakistan Foundation Girls College Rawalpindi latest jobs detail below. Job location Rawalpindi Pakistan. Qualification master or bachelor. Application form download here. Online apply online. Click here. Last date to apply 21st October 2023. Other details you can check yourself. Vacant position with basic pay scales. Contract teacher Islamic studies, contract teacher Pak studies, contract teacher Urdu, contract teacher English, library assistant, lab attendant. And this is advertisement. You check your syllabus. And then how to apply an overseas Pakistanis Foundation College Job 2023.